factorize. That is, we need to write this expression as product of stuff, product of things. We don't know what exactly they are. Next thing is we have to identify what identity we are looking at, because clearly this is not splitting the middle term, it's not a quadratic equation. So we have 8b cube minus 64c cube minus 24abc. Okay, so what identity are we looking at? Any idea? So we have 3 to 4 terms, 3 are cubed and 1 is not cubed. So can you check which identity are we talking about? It's very simple and straightforward. It's the last one, right? So just let's write it. The remaining part will happen by itself. Just write it. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, which is equal to a plus b plus c, okay, into a square plus, keep telling, b square plus c square, yes, and after this minus ab minus bc minus ca. Is it not? It's a very simple straightforward thing. You just have to identify a, b and c and we are done. So for that we have to figure out each term. A cube is a cube clearly, so a is a. Okay, sorry, I have to do this. A cube is a cube. B is not clearly that, b is minus 8b cube and all of that. So we need to figure out what is b and c. So let me do the working here. So we have minus 8b cube, which can be written as minus 2 the whole cube into b cube, correct? Right, it's very simple. Minus 2 the whole cube into b cube. And so we have minus 2b the whole cube. Using what? Using the identity. Let me write it over here. A n b n is ab whole to the power of n. Okay, a n b n is ab whole to the power of n. Using this, I'll be able to write this. Agree? Again, all the formulas that is related to exponent, pretty much all of it can be handled with this. All of it can be explained with this. Minus 1 into a to the power of odd is minus of a whole to the power of odd. Right? That's one of the things that we have used. Okay, and then we came to this conclusion. So your b is clearly minus 2b. Right, guys? Actually, we need to rewrite and then do this, but anyways, I'm directly doing it. Sequence doesn't matter, not to that extent. Your teachers will not mind. Next, 64 c cube. So this can be written as, yes, minus 4 the whole cube into c cube, same logic. So minus 4c the whole cube. And so we have this to be minus 4c. So after doing all of this work, now we will be able to complete the answer. Your solution will look like this. A cube plus of minus 2b the whole cube plus of minus 4c the whole cube minus 3 into, just copy a, b and c, a into b into c, right? When you solve this, by default you will get back 24 abc. You do that. You guys want to do that, you can do that. Okay, and since we have this expression mapping this expression, we can expand this or write it as a product of a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus a into b minus b into c minus c into a. Close the brackets. Let me make this very clear. This is a different set of brackets. Okay, now things are clear, right? This has to be simplified. We can't just leave it over here. Brackets open. So we have a plus of minus is what, guys? Minus 2b List of minus is minus 4c, close the bracket. Let me use so that things are clear. Then a square minus 2 the whole square is what? Always decide on the sign. Negative to the power of square is positive itself. So clearly this is 4b square. Okay, using what identity? Using this identity, but in the reverse order. Right? This again is positive. 4c the whole square is 16c square. Negative of negative is positive. 2 into, well, 1 is there over here, so 2 itself. Then the variables ab. Negative of negative is negative. 2 into 4 is 8. bc. Look at the way I'm taking the steps. You guys can't just jump in writing whatever you feel like. You have to think first about the sign, then about the number, and then the variable, and then you are done. Close the bracket. So this would be your answer. So this is where you have to be careful with. Okay, so it's double L or single L. Okay, you can see clearly. Yeah, I think something. Okay, so be careful with that. Right, so please pause and have a look.